Tortillas are the unsung heroes of the kitchen, versatile and comforting. Yet, what should be a humble blend of flour or corn, water, and fat has been hijacked by mass production. Stroll through any grocery aisle and you are confronted with flashy packaging promising convenience. But peel back the label and you will often find a startling roster of excessive sodium, chemical preservatives, and artificial flavorings that bear little resemblance to traditional recipes. While grabbing a package is second nature, not every brand deserves a spot in your own cart. Before your next taco, here are 6 brands worth leaving behind. Number 1. Mission Flour Tortillas. Mission is a giant in the tortilla world. You can find their bright packages in almost every grocery store. But familiarity does not mean quality. The biggest problem with Mission Flour Tortillas is their sodium content. According to Profago, Mexico's Consumer Protection Agency, a single Mission Flour tortilla contains 165 milligrams of sodium. That number climbs even higher for their larger sizes. Some Mission products contain 450 milligrams or more per tortilla. Now think about how many tortillas you eat in one meal. Many people eat 2 or 3 with their tacos or fajitas. That means you could be getting 500 milligrams of sodium before you even add your meat, cheese, or salsa. The American Heart Association recommends limiting sodium to 2,300 milligrams per day. The ideal limit is even lower at 1,500 milligrams for most adults. So just a few Mission tortillas can take up nearly a third of your daily sodium allowance. This is a serious concern if you are watching your blood pressure. High sodium intake is linked to heart disease and stroke. It also causes bloating and water retention. Beyond the sodium, Mission tortillas contain other ingredients that raise questions. Many of their products use hydrogenated oils and preservatives. These are added to keep the tortillas soft for weeks, but that shelf stability comes at a cost. The sodium alone is enough to make you think twice. There are better options out there with far less salt. Number 2. Guerrero Tortillas. Guerrero is another well-known brand that many families trust, but a closer look at the ingredient list tells a different story. Guerrero tortillas are packed with preservatives. Specifically, they contain calcium propionate and sorbic acid. These chemicals are added to keep the tortillas fresh for long periods. While this extends shelf life, it creates health concerns that are hard to ignore. Calcium propionate has been linked to migraines in some people. Others report digestive issues after eating foods that contain it. These reactions are not common, but they happen often enough to warrant caution. Sorbic acid is another preservative that raises eyebrows. It is generally recognized as safe in small amounts, but its presence shows just how processed these tortillas really are. When a food product needs multiple preservatives to stay edible, it is a sign that the product is far from natural. Guerrero also uses intrasterified and hydrogenated soybean oils in many of their flour tortillas. These fats are chemically modified. While they are not technically trans fats, they still raise health concerns. Studies suggest that these modified oils can affect your cholesterol levels and increase inflammation. Additionally, Guerrero's larger tortillas can contain up to 580 milligrams of sodium. That is a staggering amount for just one piece of bread. Number 3. Goya Tortillas. Goya is famous for its beans, rice, and seasonings. Many people trust the brand for Latin American staples. But when it comes to tortillas, Goya fails completely. In a comprehensive taste test of flour tortilla brands, Goya ranked dead last. The reason is simple. These tortillas are terribly dry. They crack and break the moment you try to fold them. Even straight from the package, the edges are already dried out and crumbly. Reviewers describe the texture as eating paper. There is no softness or flexibility. The mouthfeel is unpleasant and chalky. On top of that, there is no salt and almost no flavor. It is just flour and dryness. This is a huge problem because tortillas are meant to be a wrap for your food. If they fall apart, your meal becomes a mess. You end up with pieces of broken tortilla and filling everywhere. At a price of around $2.99 for a pack of 8, Goya tortillas are not even that cheap. You are paying for a product that simply does not perform. You could buy a better brand for the same price or slightly more. The lack of flavor is also disappointing. With no salt, these tortillas taste bland and boring. They do nothing to enhance your meal. Instead, they distract from it. Number 4. Old El Paso Tortillas. Old El Paso is a household name for taco kits and Mexican-inspired dinners. Their products are everywhere. But their flour tortillas have a problem that is completely avoidable. Unlike most competitors, Old El Paso tortillas come in a non-resealable bag. This might seem like a small issue, but it has big consequences. Once you open the bag, you cannot seal it back up. That means the tortillas start going stale almost immediately. You are essentially racing against the clock to finish the entire package. Unless you eat all the tortillas in one meal, you are stuck with dry, stiff tortillas the next day. Transferring them to a separate resealable bag is an option, but it is an unnecessary hassle. It also shows a lack of care from the brand. Beyond the packaging flaw, Old El Paso tortillas often contain a freshness sachet. This is a separate little packet inside the bag that helps keep the tortillas from spoiling. While the sachet is labeled non-toxic, its presence is still concerning. It raises questions about how many additives are needed to keep the product edible. Why does a simple tortilla need such advanced preservation methods? Number 5. Mama Grande Tortilla Factory. Sometimes the reason to avoid a brand has nothing to do with taste or texture, it is about safety. In March 2026, Mama Grande Tortilla Factory in Mission, Texas, issued a major recall. The recall involved their Gorditas de Azúcar and Doraditas de Azúcar products. The reason was alarming. An FDA inspection revealed that these products contained undeclared wheat and soy. For people with allergies or severe sensitivities, this was a serious issue. Wheat and soy are common allergens. Consuming them without knowing can cause severe reactions. In some cases, it can even be life-threatening. The products had been distributed to retail stores and wholesale customers across Texas. They were on shelves for over a month before the recall was announced. The most troubling part is that this was not a minor labeling error. The allergens were simply not declared on the packaging at all. There was no warning for consumers. People with allergies had no way of knowing that the product was dangerous for them. Fortunately, no illnesses were reported. But that is not the point. The fact that it happened at all is a serious failure. Number 6. Trader Joe's Habanero Lime Tortillas. Trader Joe's has a loyal following. Fans love their unique products and affordable prices. But not everything they sell is a winner. Their habanero lime tortillas are a perfect example of a product that sounds great but fails miserably. The biggest problem is the inconsistency. The spice level fluctuates wildly from one tortilla to the next. One bite might be mild and barely noticeable. The next bite could be so spicy that it numbs your mouth. This makes it impossible to plan your meal. You never know what you're going to get. It is a gamble every time you take a bite. The flavor is also disappointing. The artificial lime taste has been described as reminiscent of cleaning products. It is sharp and chemical, not fresh and citrusy. Instead of adding brightness to your meal, it adds a strange and unpleasant note. The combination of inconsistent heat and fake lime flavor is off-putting. Reviewers have called these tortillas simultaneously bland and occasionally painful. They manage to be boring and overwhelming at the same time. That is a difficult achievement. The texture is also mediocre. They are not as dry as Goya, but they are not particularly soft either. They just sit in the middle of mediocrity. Tortillas should be simple. They should be soft. They should taste good. And they should be safe. But the 6 brands we covered today fail on multiple levels. Mission loads you up with sodium. Guerrero fills your food with preservatives. Goya delivers a terrible texture. Old El Paso makes freshness a battle. Mama Grande failed at allergen safety. And Trader Joe's habanero lime tortillas are a flavor failure. The good news is that better options exist. Look for tortillas with short ingredient lists. Ideally, they should have just flour or corn, water, salt, and a simple fat like oil or lard. Avoid brands with long chemical names. Avoid brands that rely on preservatives to stay fresh for weeks. Choose tortillas that are made with real ingredients. Choose brands that are transparent about what they put in their products.